Most people don't believe you. They believe people like themselves. And that's why proof sells more than promises. You see, anyone can copy a claim, but no one can copy your proof. The problem is most businesses create proof every day, but never capture it. The win gets lost perhaps in a text message, an email, or a phone call that no one ever records. And once it's gone, it's gone. You see, proof is like an animal in the wild. It may only be there for a moment, so you need to take advantage and capture it. That's where your proof factory comes in. It's a repeatable system that helps you capture, curate, and deploy real results so you never run dry. So let's break that down. Step 1, capture. Here's where you automate the asks. You standardize the edits. That's how you make proof semi-automatic, but still feeling human. Now inside workflows, use one of these triggers depending on your business. For example, if you're dealing with services, perhaps you're focused on appointment status, where it's either marked as completed or an opportunity is marked as won. For digital or e-commerce, maybe the trigger is order submitted or invoice paid. Then you add the send review request action. That sends a text, an email, or a WhatsApp message asking for a quick review. When a 5-star review comes in, tag it as proof eligible and notify your team to request a 15 to 30 second selfie video. Send a short script so the customer knows what to say, what problems they had, and what result they got, and how they felt working with you. That's important. Step 2, curate it. Store every asset in organized folders inside your media library. Reviews, testimonials, screenshots, anything that helps to capture those moments. Keep them as raw as possible. Don't overproduce them. Believability beats polish every single time in this fashion. And if you need to trim videos, clip them externally first, then upload them back to the media library. From there, you can schedule them in your social planner or embed them in your funnels. Then step 3, you want to deploy them. Start with your funnels and your websites and place the review widget above your call to actions. Add a testimonial element near pricing and link a dedicated proof page stacked floor to ceiling with results. Quantity persuades, so your goal is to build a wall of proof. Then automate the distribution. Schedule weekly proof clips through Social Planner so you're always posting fresh and authentic wins. And then in reputation, keep replying to new reviews fast. And when you see a standout one, tag it and route it to your proof factory flow. Finally, don't forget your nurture sequences. Add a 2 or 3 touch pre-call proof drip, 1 avatar match testimonial, 1 how we did it clip, and 1 live result screenshot. You want to do that after they book a call and before they talk to you, because each touch raises belief before they even speak to you. From there, step 4, you got to maintain compliance and maintain the right fit. You always want to match proof to the right audience, so you want to keep it current and make sure it aligns with your niche and local compliance rules. Old or mismatched proof erodes trust instead of building it and can actually work against you. And that's your Proof Factory version 1 inside HighLevel. A workflow for capture, reputation for review management, media library for storage of those videos and images, funnels and websites for display, and social planner for ongoing distribution. It's not theory, it's a machine. And when you run it regularly, you'll see a double-digit lift in trust and inbound conversions without adding any new ads. So here's your next move. Start your HighLevel trial using my link if you don't already have it, and I'll include my 72-hour starter pack as a bonus, which walks you step by step through building your business as well as your first Proof Factory workflow. And if you want ongoing playbooks, templates, and peer feedback, go ahead and join my community, GHL Money Labs. It's where agency builders share systems that scale trust on autopilot. So my question for you, what's the one kind of proof you're missing right now? A written review, a video, or a proof page? Tell me down in the comments. I'd love to hear your story.